Welcome to HVAC course Step 5, Installation Skills. This is one of the most important steps in your HVAC journey because proper installation directly affects cooling performance, efficiency, and system life. Let's start with a simple truth. Proper installation equals better cooling. Even a high-quality AC will fail if it is installed incorrectly. Choose the right AC size. First, always select the correct AC capacity for the room. If the unit is too small, it will struggle to cool. If it's too big, it will cycle too fast and waste energy. So always calculate room size, heat load, and usage before installation. Indoor unit placement. Next, install the indoor unit properly. Mount it at a height of 7 to 8 feet from the floor. Make sure the wall is strong and vibration-free. Avoid placing it directly above heat sources or in tight corners. Outdoor unit positioning. Now let's move to the outdoor unit. Place the condenser in a well-ventilated area. Maintain at least 24 inches of clearance around it. Good airflow helps release heat efficiently and improves cooling performance. Proper leveling. Leveling is very important. If the unit is not level, it can cause water leakage, vibration, and noise. Always use a level tool to ensure perfect alignment. Anti-vibration protection. To reduce noise and protect the system, use anti-vibration pads under the outdoor unit. This increases comfort and improves the lifespan of the equipment. Copper piping and connections. Now focus on piping. Use high-quality copper pipes and ensure proper flaring and tightening. Avoid sharp bends and always insulate the pipes properly to prevent energy loss. Sealing and insulation. Seal all wall holes and gaps carefully. This prevents air leakage, water entry, and improves system efficiency. Good insulation equals better performance. Drainage system. Next, check the drainage line. Make sure the pipe has a proper slope so water flows out smoothly. Improper drainage can cause water leakage inside the room. Vacuum process. Very important. Before starting the system, always perform a vacuum process. This removes air and moisture from the system and prevents damage. Skipping this step can reduce cooling and damage the compressor. Finally, test the system. Check cooling performance, airflow, noise level, and gas pressure. Make sure everything is working perfectly before completing the job. Safety reminder. Always follow safety rules during installation. Turn off power when needed, use proper tools, and double-check all connections. Professional installation is what separates a beginner from an expert. If you master this step, your work quality will stand out. Remember, proper installation equals better cooling. Install it right the first time, and your system will perform like a pro. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more HVAC tips.